Music. Capital One versus Ally Bank, which one's right for you? This video compares both to help you choose. Find links to both banks below. Let's dive into their features, pros, and cons. First up, Capital One. Known for its full range of personal banking, checking, savings, credit cards, Capital One boasts a user-friendly app for easy account management, bill pay, and rewards tracking. They offer competitive interest rates, especially on online savings accounts, and are committed to low or no monthly fees. However, their limited branch network might be a drawback if you prefer in-person banking. Capital One is ideal for digital-first banking with reliable customer service. Next, Ally Bank, a leading online-only bank popular for its high-yield savings, checking, and CDS. Ally's strengths include transparent fees, with no monthly maintenance charges. Their competitive interest rates are a big plus for savers. Ally also offers a highly rated app and responsive customer service. The main downside? No physical branches. So, both Capital One and Ally excel in digital banking. Capital One offers a wider product range and some branches, while Ally focuses on savings and high interest. Both prioritize convenience and low fees. Your choice depends on whether you need branch access or want to maximize savings. Check the links below to learn more and choose the best bank for your financial goals.